Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the newly renovated and finished Hagley Park Road. This road was renovated or redesigned under the Major Infrastructure Development Program, and it was done by China Harbour Engineering Company. As you can see, it's a very nice road. This road takes you to and from Halfway Tree, the busiest place in Jamaica, and so it was very nicely done that the government chose this road as one to renovate under that project. Also, another road that takes you to Halfway Tree is Constant Spring Road, and that road was also renovated. It looks just like this: 4 lanes, dual carriageway with a concrete barricade. And this road, Hagley Park Road, along with Constant Spring Road, they have really made a difference with the flow of traffic in the city of Kingston. The traffic problem has been improved greatly with these roads being renovated. So we really have to say well done to the government, whichever one was in power at the time. We're not a political channel, but it has really helped. Now, for those who can remember, when this road was being renovated, it was a nightmare to use it. A nightmare. But it's finished now and you can see the end product, and it has really made a difference. So Hagley Park Road takes you from Halfway Tree to Spanish Town Road, and that intersection of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So you can see how busy this road is and how important it was to renovate it. Other roads were also renovated, and a new project is to start soon, a Greater Infrastructure Development Program. It hasn't started yet, but it's in the works, and that will renovate even more roads. Alright, so let's take a tour. A lot of car dealerships and auto parts stores are on this road. So on the left is Love FM, the family station, that's their office. Then you have medical supplies on the left, and Tire Warehouse, Auto Jam on the right. Tire Warehouse is actually open today. They're closed on Saturdays, but they're open on Sundays. Now over here you have Juicy Patties, and then you have a complex called the Domes. It's warehouses slash offices, and we have videos up. You can check the channel to see what it's like inside there. Okay, on the right now is the Betting, Gaming and Lottery, which is the casino, and also the Casino Gaming Commission. So in Jamaica, the gambling is regulated. Okay, these taxi people are something else. So the Betting, Gaming and Lottery is one of the agencies that regulates everything. Alright, so on the left is an auto parts store. Then, as we said, a lot of auto parts stores are on this road. Superior Bikes is on the right, and then you have Superior Parts, and then on the left is Auto Spectrum. But the good thing about this road is it's these establishments follow the rules. They're not out in the road, they're not illegal operations like some places like Washington Boulevard. You just have chaos on the roadside. You have persons just set up any establishment, although the government is trying to regulate that and fix it now. But Hagley Park Road is more organized. Okay, Llama is on the left, and they make the syrup. So this road now is, wow, what's wrong with my memory today? Walton Park Road. So you turn left, you take Walton Park Road back to Spanish Town Road. Turn right, you take Walton Park Road into Olympic Gardens. And we have videos up for driving through Olympic Gardens and also taking Walton Park Road down to Spanish Town Road. So you can search the channel for those videos. But we're going to go straight and go on to the 3 miles overpass, which is the only double overpass in Jamaica. And as we mentioned earlier, the busiest intersection in Jamaica is the intersection of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road. And that is where the overpass was built, because it is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So there you can get a very nice view of the overpass straight ahead. And as we said, it's the only double overpass in Jamaica. And it was built by China Harbour Engineering Company. And we also have to give the government credit for building this overpass. It was built at the right spot, because it has really helped with the flow of traffic in the area. And I don't know which government built it, but it was very nicely done. Both governments that we've had in the last couple of years have really done a lot for road development in Jamaica. Not only the highways, but roads like this within the city of Kingston. So we are on Hagley Park Road now, which is the upper or the higher of the two overpasses. Below us is Spanish Town Road, and then below that you have the original intersection. So straight ahead now is the Kingston Wharf, or the Kingston Container Terminal, which is the correct name for it, but everybody just refers to it as the Kingston Wharf. And that's the largest port in Jamaica, and that's where 90% of all the goods that come into Jamaica come through. Alright, so we're going to make a U-turn here, but if we were to go right, we'd go onto the Portmore Expressway, and that will take us into Portmore. Sorry about that, guys. Our earpiece fell out. And putting back in the earpiece, the dash cam moved. Okay, so we made a U-turn and we were going to go up onto Spanish Town Road, but they're doing some work and it's blocked right here, so I guess we're gonna have to go and access it from the other side. Alright, so this is the overpass we're going up again. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.